Well, I was already out here doing it, so let's make it official. Let's throw some washers and drink some whiskey. We're gonna drink Knob Creek today. I enjoy the knobs. Here, I'm gonna set you down. I have no idea what's going on. Anyway, enjoy the knobs. 15's really nice. There we go. Almost all of them come in at 100 proof. Nice. That's a good pour right there. That's a good proof too. Keeps it, ooh, man, my washers. Keeps it flavorful. There's the boards we're gonna throw up there towards the house. Keeps it flavorful. That's not a bad angle. So, yeah, enjoy all the Knob products. Barrel proof's nice, 120 proof. All right, let's have a drink. Yep, it's good. Dogs out there doing their thing. All right. Yeah, that's nice. I'm gonna throw 9 washers today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Goal is to hit 21 points and 9 throws. For those of you who don't like the math, I don't even know if you can hear me, honestly. With the wind blowing, we're out here. It's a beautiful April day. Well, didn't find the middle a whole lot, or at all. If you haven't guessed it, I have been out here for a little while. Drank some Pikesville earlier, Pikesville rye. All right, what do we got here? Oh, we got 5 on the board. Pretty poor. Minimum should be about, oh man. Minimum should be 10. At least that's pretty representative of. So, there we go. We got all the washers. Gorgeous day out here today. Goodness sakes. I will comment on the weather. I am old. I don't know if you can hear me. Son of a gun. Because that's what we do out here in the country. Weather is very important. Let's have another. So if you can't tell, let's look at this thing. Well, you probably really can't tell. I am definitely, oh God, there you go. Throwing downhill just a little bit from this side. Yeah, how about some motion sickness for you? And against the wind. So right now facing south. This time of year, that's where the wind is coming from. Far from impressive throwing. I mean, just freaking brutal. Just brutal. That's pretty bad. Let's see what the dog's doing. There you are. She's guarding her ball. Olive, you guarding your ball? Yeah, you're so cute. Oh yeah, got a light out here. If that's what you're seeing in the screen as I scroll by. Well, that's a poor effort right there. 2 out of 9. We're throwing 9 today. I think I've already said that. That's right. I've already had whiskey today too. That's not all right too. All right. All right, we got 9 again. All right. So this is the uphill side. You can, I guess that angle you might be able to tell. And with the wind. So is there a difference? Yeah. I mean, I actually enjoyed throwing downhill a little bit more. Feel like you get a little softer landing, even though that doesn't make a whole lot of sense now that I talk about it out loud. Because you're going to get a harder landing, you know, farther to fall, whatnot. But I always feel like I have a little softer landing on the downhill. Well, at some point I'm probably going to make one. Maybe not. Maybe not ever. I'll just gotta go over there, check out my water. How's that water? Is it good? Yeah, it's pretty good. I enjoy a good ice cold water. Yeah, 4 on. That's freaking brutal. I enjoy a nice ice cold water with my bourbon. So, alright, well let's talk. Wait a minute, what I have? 4 on? 4 ounce brutal. Let's talk about Knob Creek for a second. We got 9 we're gonna throw again. Alright. This is pretty poor. And by pretty poor, I mean it is just, yeah. Pretty poor doesn't even explain it. Hey, baby. Knob Creek, man. Great. Okay. Oh, you want to play? Here. Hey, we banged one. So, what I like about the knob, so it's going to be a little, lot bolder flavor. Seems like even, well, their base, just their shelf product is a 9-year. A lot of the time, at least that's what it's talking about, or showing on the label, but sometimes it's not. I think they're also showing a little bit of a, all right, what do we have here? Oh, we got 2 in. Banger, 6. 1 on the outside, 1 on the outside. We got 8 there. Not the worst that can happen. Anyway, a lot of bourbons have had a shortage because of the craze, which I think is warranted, because I love it. Why else would I be doing that? Ooh, we're missing one. There it is. So it's a little bolder, I think, than a lot. Oh shit, let's go this way. You know, because your stupid allocated bourbons are always the most sought after. You know, Buffalo Trace, the Wellers, that entire line, and they're so soft with their, or I guess they're not as bold and flavorful. God, can you even hear me? Wind has picked up a little bit. Anyway, I don't think it's a great first time like bourbon for people. That might go in. No, it sure didn't. Not a great first time bourbon for a lot of people because it's going to be more than what they're used to. If you're a beer drinker, what do we got there? 1 in the middle. That's 3. Dang, a lot on the outside. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, at least we got the double digits. So, anyway, I do enjoy it. Let's just say that. I like all the flavor. You'll find that I am more of a higher proof guy. Just so much more flavor. Like, I'll still enjoy I don't know. I guess I consider anything under 100. Usually just doesn't have the flavor. Because you're getting all that water in there. They're watering it down to get the proof down to sell more per barrel, which, you know, it makes sense. So I always steer for the higher proofs. Just how I enjoy my whiskey. can always ice it. Get the, just that melt will get the proof down by the melt of the ice. Well, that might go in. That sure didn't. Like my theory is drink what you like, you know? Drink it how you like it. I like mine flavorful and proofy, and we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. No, yeah, not 8 again, I guess, but 8. So you'll find out like that. Like, drank a little Pikesville rye before this. Pardon me. Was delightful. So anyway, we got creatures around. So amazingly calm out here. Like, I usually rate the wind out here because it's usually pretty dang bad. So you have to have a scale. And I mean, today this is dang near as calm as it gets. Sun going down helps. Dog in the background helps. Let's just let her entertain you for a second. Still going. There she is. She protects the house, yard, everything. It's fantastic. We got 9 there, 6 in the middle, 3 on the outside. One's just long. Haven't adjusted to the wind here. Whatever. Granted, I have been playing. You can see the mats in the yard where my feet have been today. So, mowed today, got some stuff done. Yeah, throw them from the other side too. We'll see. Oh, there's my bottle down there. Right there. Enjoy the Knob Creek. Goodness sakes. So much so. Let's have a little bit right here. Let's see the color's good. Let's see the. You can almost see the wings coming down on it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. What I found is, just for having a lot of whiskey, and there goes, down goes the water. Down goes the water. Look at all that ice. Damn it. Your higher proofs, your a little more time in the barrel. We're drinking a 12-year today. So that extra time in the barrel, it gives you a little longer wingage, I guess you call it, on the glass. I don't know if you can see that coming down. You might be able to in the light. Anyway, that's always nice. So basically, think of water going down a glass. More water you got in something, faster it's gonna go down, you know. So, oh, look at there. I had to jinx it. So, shoot, we're gonna get to 21. And then crap show at the end. Beauty. Not a bad round. Love the washers. Thank you, Terry Ehrman, for the washers. Father of Ryan Herman, who is I. That's the worst sentence in the history of language. And the father of washers. Let's see what we got here. We got 3 in there. Hold on. See, nothing in the hand. Right there. All right. So there's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You know. Oh, wait. We got 4 in there. There's 12. There's 16. Hey, that's a good round. We're going to take that. Document it as well. We're not going to count that. We play lift up the board. Doesn't stay on. It ain't on. Alright. Not bad. 16. Boom. We got 9 washers there. Alright. I keep showing you, so that's what we're looking at on my property. It's pretty badass. Barn. And then my brother's that house way down, you see in the distance on the left, right there. And then there's a little barn and a dock. Sorry for the shaking. Dock to the right, barn in the middle behind the tree. So you got a little pond down there, about 2 acres. There's a shadow of me and my drink stand. Love the drink stands. One of the best outdoor things in the history of outdoor things. Because we're gonna be outdoors playing some games. I should probably give them a little love. I don't even know who it is. Okay, I'll get back to you. All right, 16, pretty good. I think we can back that up with something here. It was a little long. You know, adjust the arm swing a little bit. Start banging them home. Play the wind. Wind picked up, and then that could have been a good round. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. About time for a refill. What we got here? We got 12 in the middle. 4. We got another 16. That's pretty solid. Back-to-back 16s. You're not quite getting 2 points per throw, but you're getting up there. Alright. We got 9 here. 4. We got 9. We got whiskey. Let's get a little dog action on there. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful evening out here. Sun going down ish. Probably can't even see that. I have no idea what you guys can see. Pardon me while I drink. Yeah, basically I just do this live, post it, see what happens. I guess see what happens, not the best way to put it. We're gonna try to figure out who makes this thing. Dang it. It came with a scoreboard. I'll have to grab that here in a few minutes. Should be on there. I really enjoy them though. So it's got legs. I think I'm trying to sell these, I'm not. But you can pull the legs off there, and then you can spike the holder straight in the ground. So if you're on unlevel land, still's gonna work, you know what I'm saying? Which is nice. That is not nice. Look at that, empty. We'll get a little bit more. I had to do the Knob Creek because I'm about out of it, as you can tell. Or you should be able to tell here in a second. Hard to get around here this time of year. At least I haven't seen it on a shelf in a while, so figured, hey, you know what? That's not good. Let's talk about it before we drink the rest of it. Or I guess while we drink the rest of it. Oh, there we go. Great hustle. Probably a good bird out there. Anyway, what we got here? Not bad for downhill. We got 2 in the middle, 4 on the outside. This one's leaning just a little bit. There we go. Gives us 10 double digits. That's what you're looking for. All right. Here comes Simon the boxer. Oh, we're missing one. We did not pick them all up. We got 8. 4 and 4 right there. Oh, there we go. That's the problem. You get those leaners. So you walk up, you just can't see that at all. And then, right in the view. Let's grab that son of a gun. You know what else we're going to do? It's time for more whiskey. Time for some more Knob Creek. Boom, schlock, lock. That was probably a horrible view of my head. I just do a couple ounce pours. Looks like I'm gonna have one left. Not much left. That's a sad day. Sad day in the Herman household. Oh well. You can get that you can get that about, I don't know, what is it, Knob Creek 12 around here, Kansas City area, I guess. That's probably a $60 bottle. Is that about right? That's about right. $60. I would say worth the price of admission. I feel like that's a good sweet spot for a good price whiskey. That was a bad thrown washer. Oh, that's horrible. Wind hardly even blowing. Can't get anything going. Uh-oh. We're still good? Yeah, we're still good. I don't know if there's sweet spot. We got 5 on. None in the middle. Stupid middle. You can find some really good whiskeys for $30. You know, that's going to be my everyday whiskey. I'm not a guy that can afford everything I want all the time, or even get your hands on it, you know. But it also limits a little bit on how many things you can try. Because I definitely enjoy trying new things. I'll give a lot of things a shot. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but all right, we got enough washers. But you know what they say, variety is the spice of life. I mean, try some. Ooh, I'm looking right at that Knob Creek label. What a great view. You gotta just try some stuff, you know what I'm saying? You know, just get your lips on as much bourbon as you can. Well, this is gonna be a port round. See if we can bang a couple home here to end the round. There's one. Yeah, a little right. Just a little right. Yeah. So let's try stuff. Well, we got 6. Boom. I don't know if bartenders, I don't go to a whole lot of bars. So we got 7 there. 2 in the middle, 1 outside. That one was outside. I think I documented it. Anyway. You just never know. You can find some hole in the walls with great whiskey selection. You can go to some big places and they ain't got nothing. Well, we got Knob Creek today. 12-year right there. Knob Creek's also enjoying the view. Oh, yeah. All right. Have we given Knob enough love? I think we have. I think it's time to actually throw some washers in the hole. This is like a 0.5 wind day out here. I mean, dang near as light as it gets. I'm sure the camera's receiving different wind. Let me see if I can block the wind. Ha! There you go. That probably sounded like you were in 3D. Anyway, we're gonna bang a couple home right here. It's all about concentration. You know, keeping a consistent rhythm. Look at that. Now that was... Oh, of course missed the last one. I think everyone, except for the last one, went on. That's all right. We're going to see what we got here. Ooh, we got a record of 5 in the middle. Well, today's record. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is. 5. So that's 15. And 3 on the outside, 18. And And then this guy did not make it on the board. The very last row. Last row should be the best row because, all right, do we got, oh, that's horrible. Come on, there's 9 there. Anyway, your last one should always be your best one. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had 8 practice throws, and look at that, just delightful. 8 practice throws, made all 8, you know, at least got a point out of them. And 9th row, just doinker. All right, back to the downhill side. Wind negligible. See if we can start making some. There you go. Starting off hot. 2 for 3. And here comes some wind. You gotta play it. That was deep. Looked good probably from camera angle. Ooh. Slicing them in. That's a good round. There's some good washer throwing right here you might be witnessing. Ooh, we got one leaner right there. See it? That's good. So what do we got? 4 in there. And that one over. 4. And 3. Oh yeah, 4 and 3. So we got 12, we got 15. That's a good round. I'm gonna take 15. You know, we don't give that back. Oh, we got one deep out there. Yeah. Oh, we got 2 deep. Damn near stepped on that one. Let's see if we got 9 to throw. 4, 1, 4. Yep. You know what sounds really good? Some stinking water. Except there it is. We got the diagonal view on the water. Still spilled. Can't Mona Lisa. I almost said Mona Lisa. You can't Leaning Tower a pizza that one. That's just on the ground. I really want to pause it so I can get some water. Because, like anything, the more you talk about it, the more you want it. I talk about whiskey a lot, and I want whiskey a lot. It's delicious. All right. We're going to see if we can get to 21 here. We're going to really focus not only the camera, we're going to really focus our mental gratitude. Gratitude? Fortitude? I don't know what it's going to be. I don't even know if you can see the washers coming in at this point. It is funny that the pole is dead center. Because when I'm looking at it from my angle, because you're not going to throw from directly behind the boards, you lose, you know, a couple feet. So it's on the side, but you're not looking at it. At least I'm not. You might be. Oh, that was poor. So basically, I'm just finding a spot on the middle of the back of the box to not hit. Nope. I'll show you what I mean. Right there. Goodness sakes. I thought that one was pretty good. Didn't hit anything. None in the middle. We went from, there we go. What we got, 5 on the board? We got way too much zoom to even see what's going on. We got 5 on the board. We went from basically teens, double digits, to 5. That's brutal. All right, what do we got there? Uh-oh, we're missing one. We got 8. There's my water. Sure would like that right now. Where'd these stupid washers go? Yeah, you don't need to look for washers too. I'll find them on my own. But yeah, I was going somewhere with a point before, but you're welcome. Yeah, you are welcome. Man. Well, I'm gonna keep throwing, But I don't know if anybody wants to see what I got going on right now, because I feel like this is pretty poor, you know? Oh, there it is. Goodness sake. See it? Everybody see that? See, this is what's ridiculous. So you're back here. Like, I can kind of see it a little bit with my eyeball. But, yeah, it takes a little bit to find it. Alright, let's have... God, that's just nice. I just really enjoy it. That's about all I gotta say about it. Alright. Wind's picking up again. Alright. Wind's picking up. You can probably hear. We're going to throw 9 washers. So, 9. And that board. And this is going to be total focus round. Alright? See what we can do with total focus. Wind's picked up. We're at about maybe a 1.5. Gusting up to a 2 or a 3. Yeah. So, let's just focus on that back of that board. And, yep, in and out. That was in and out. That first one, you might have to show that slow motion later. Got a couple in there. First one in and out. That's why the father made the boards like these. We've all seen them. You got a little angle. So that's a ground level. So you got a little angle to go by. We got 2 in, 3 on. That'll get you 9. You try to make it fair. So what happens is the downhill lie, like golf, come in a little hotter, a little spicier. We got 9 there. Boom. 414. So you come in a little spicier. Pardon me, that was horrible. Especially because you don't even realize this, but like as I'm doing it, so I throw differently to the uphill compared to the downhill. So I'm getting a lot less air going uphill than going downhill, just subconsciously. It's so weird. So you would think the opposite would be true, right? So I'm downhill right now. So I'm shooting a little uphill. I mean, camera's sitting about 4 feet high, 3 feet high. So it's not giving you a pure perspective, but it's close, you know? So I feel like what happens is, like I'm throwing uphill, you can see the back. So I aim right at the back. Let me show you what I aim at. So, all right. So there's a weird like center mark right on the center of the back of the board. See that little white mark? So you can see that from down there, at least I can, which is fantastic. So, like that's my marker. So I'm just staring at that the entire time, throwing my washer. And so that's my aim point, you know? You got your catcher's mitt, you got, shoot, I don't know what a quarterback looks at. Ask Patrick Mahomes, but you got your windows, and so that's what I'm aiming at. That's the only thing I'm looking at. And then my throw is insanely robotic. You can't even see it on this. Here, hold on. Let's try to scoot back a little. Oh, my knob fell. Look at that. Poor guy. All right, I'm going to scoot back just a little bit. Maybe you can see my throw. The problem with scooting back is you have no idea where my washers are going. But, yeah, I'm trying to find a level level ground. That's not bad. If you can't tell if you can't tell by my videos, Knob Creek's getting to me at the Pikesville before this. I am not technologically sound. Like, I'd love to use a GoPro or some sort of head, so then you can just see what, so I don't have to keep carrying the stupid camera back and forth. So anybody got any ideas on that? Love to hear them. All right, so let's get my aim point. We're throwing 9. I'd love to get to 21. See, now here's the issue. We got the wind blowing. Can you even hear me when I'm up here? Probably not. Probably not. We're just gonna go ahead and go silent count. Just knock them back. Right. Dang it. So that was a good round. Enjoyed that round. Good round. But yeah, I'm trying to be as robotic as I can. You know, this is not a game for flair. All right, we got 4 in, 4 on the outside. Yeah, this is the one I missed. Stupid washer right there. All right, so that gives you 4 in, 12, 16. That's a good round. Make sure you see that one. That's a good round. 16 is a solid number. Still hadn't hit the elusive 21. I think 18 is my record today. You get to it sometimes. Sometimes you don't. We got 9 there. All right. See, I don't know if you could see me in that last one. So I guess we're going to switch it up. We're not going to switch that. God dang. Almost empty already. See that? God, that is tough. Love the glasses. Glencairn. Here. You can probably see on the bottom. You probably can't. Who knows? But love these glasses. Found them. That's the only one I use anymore. I've got some other nice, kind of bigger for ice balls, or, you know, whatnot. Don't entertain very often, but when you do, you got to have options. Everybody likes their whiskey a little different. All right. So we're going to throw downhill against the wind. Wind blowing a little bit. Trees getting leaves, except for that stupid dead tree right there. Yeah. All right. Be awesome. I don't know. Can you guys hear the birds? Literally as one flies away. Masters just got done. Dropped a bunch of washers. I like sports. I like Masters. I like the majors and golf, whatnot. God dang, empty. We're about ready to finish off that Knob Creek 12 year. That's right. We're gonna get the good throws here. Let's zoom in. Wind's picked up. We're a good steady 3 on the wind index out here. And let's see. Pretty bad when you're not making noise. You should make noise on every throw. It's not that hard. Alright. That was just poor. Man, that was poor. Let's zoom out. I'm really hoping nobody could actually see where those ended up. Here comes the wind. Because, yeah, we got 2 in the middle. Those guys, and then 1 on the outside gets you 7. That's pretty bad. Oh, look at those lined up nice too. I mean, you're not getting 9. You're not getting as many as you're throwing. That's just ridiculous. All right, I got 8. Missing 1. Let's see what we got. We're going to need more Knob Creek. Oh, dog woke up. Probably left. Wind's a little on the crosshairs. And here come the dogs. Dun, 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 dun. Well, I don't know what it looks like, but it sure is easier than it looks. May mow the lawn today. Please compliment the grass. Look at it. Always compliment the grass. And God, I still can't find them. This game is dumb. There it is. You see it? Oh yeah, nice in there. See this? Nice in there too. About out. 100 proof. Enjoy the 100 proof. I'll say it over and over and over. And you're gonna hear me say it over and over and over. That's a good thing. I learned that from my father. Oh, Papa Terry Herman. If you're excited about a joke, and if you're excited about a joke and still laugh at it, I just emptied the Knob Creek. Boom. Gone. Yeah, I'll probably be able to get a couple more drops out of it. The excitement that you show on a joke gets the biggest reaction. Because I heard him say the same joke. Oh my God. How many hundreds of times? And he would just laugh and laugh like it was the first time he was hearing it. Or telling it, I guess. God. Oh, just fantastic. So my storytelling, whatever you may think of it, yeah, is thanks to him. And if you don't like it, that's unfortunate. So yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on some. Dang it. God, I really need to get a head GoPro something. Cause this is ridiculous. About ready to lose my drink for no reason. All right, see those sticks against there? Yeah, there you go. Pooper scooper. Yeah, nothing like showing the pooper scooper for those guys. Showing the pooper scooper. That's just good entertainment. You know what? That's gonna be there the entire time. Looks like. Oh man. And I guarantee it won't be the last time. All right. I'm gonna have to move this. This is ridiculous. All right, there we go. Probably won't be the last time. Because kind of spur of the moment. You know what they say. Whatever that is, that's going to happen again. And they're going to say it again. All right, whiskey time. Oh, that's good. All right. Dog's enjoying the afternoon. That was kind of a Jim Nance. Maybe I'll do Jim Nance. It'll be like the Masters. It's got about a 27-footer left. It's got a little uphill lie. It's gonna have to make the fall through. Birds are magnificent out here. All right, that's enough Jim Nance. Here we go. See if we can get 21. 21's the goal. That's short. Pretty poor. Let's be honest. That's pretty poor. I mean, there's a bunch in the front. Looks like we're going to get 6 out of this. Pretty bad. You got 9 throws. You're getting 6. That's not pretty good. That's not even pretty good at all. Pretty good. All right. We got one more throw in us. And by us, I mean me. And we're going to see if we can knock back some here. Let's go. Holy cow. For your last throw, you better at least pop one in the middle. God bless. All right. Well, for the grand finale, 2 on. Yep. We're going to have to call it a game. We're out of whiskey. Well, we're not out of whiskey. Don't get that sad. We're at an Knob Creek 12, which is also pretty sad. There it is. Man down. Poor guy down. But lucky for him, he's got friends. So we'll drink some of those next time. For Olive, who is still protecting the house. I'm Ryan Herman. Here's my whiskey glass that we enjoy. We're gonna enjoy it right now. Way too close. My apologies. Here we go. Just super nice. Just super nice. What a great way to end the night. Till next time, drink some whiskey, play some washers. Appreciate you.